Universal credit is a means-tested benefit. It's a brand new benefit that's been introduced slowly over the UK for the past 2 years or so. And it's an umbrella, if you like, of 6 different benefits: housing benefit, income support, working tax credits and child tax credits, job seekers allowance and employment and support allowance. It's administered by the Department of Work and Pensions, so it's one payment made for all those different elements. So rather than claiming one of these benefits as a new claimant, as a single person living in Cardiff, you would actually now claim universal credit. It's really important to say that this is just at the moment for single people of a working age, and even within that there are lots of exemptions.